Hi, I'm Travis Wuertz of Wuertz Machine Works, and I'm going to show you some more of the features of the TW-90 grinder. We're going to do some small wheel grinding, and I'm also going to show off the tool rest package that comes with the TW-90. As I've showed on some of the other videos, the tool rest uses this receiver that receives the same stock as the toolbars to make a quick release system. So everything basically revolves around this block here. This is the first block everything starts off with and receives right up against dead nut square. Once you snug it down, move it wherever. These little quick clamps go on 3/4 cold rolled stock. So if you need something longer, you can cut it, or you can get it from me, however you want to do it. And now I have a couple quick change knobs on here, and I'm playing around with them myself as far as, you know, what takes up less space. These handles move out of the way, and you know, I'd love to stock them and sell them to you, but I think you'll find it more convenient just to go to your local hardware store and pick them up. You know, it's kind of like an erector set. So your second block is this 90 block, the two holes at 90 degrees. So with the combination of being able to orient the hole up, sideways, this way, this way, however you want to go, and then combined with the tool, or with the table, the first table is this little guy here with two holes, and that allows you to position the notch closer or further away or closer to the grinding surface on the platen, contact wheel, small wheel, etc. Now, I haven't even figured out all the stuff you can do with this, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. The last part of it is the horizontal table, and it's notched out for the contact wheel, and it's notched out for the flat platen. And I left it unnotched on the sides because different people use different sized small wheels, and you can add the notches yourself. But eventually I will send a little roulette table with different things, kind of depending on what people want. So let's put it to use. Small wheel attachment. Throwing on a 100 grit belt. Using a 5/8 contact wheel. It might be 3/4. I don't really know. And then start off with this guy. Basically what I'm going to do is, I've been grinding this blade and screwing it up as long as I go, as I go along, sure. And I put some fullers in it, but basically figured that video wasn't fit for YouTube, so we're going to do it again. Start off with this block, follow it up with this block. The clamping on this is amazing. Just by a little finger tight, it's pretty snug. But snug it down, still have the adjustability here, and just that knob, it works. Now I'm going to set this guy. Now, nice thing even with this short knob, I can adjust my height up and down. If I have it set, I can get it out of the way. If I need it out of the whole thing out of the way, I can pull the whole thing out of the way, and it clicks back, right back where it was. So, now, every time I play with this thing, it's just like an erector says, it's pretty neat. I have some other quick change tables that are a lot simpler, just for quick and easy, simple grinding operations. But for one tool rest to be included with the package, this one does everything. So I kind of run these fullers in it on the last video, and I guess I'll start up, well, somewhere in here. Now I don't know why a guy would actually want to do that, but if he's doing a dagger, a dirk, a sword, and wanted to do a fuller, this thing is perfect. And you can see that sucker ain't going nowhere. Now I'm going to track it over just a little bit. And I probably shouldn't start on the ricasso, but I'm gonna. I'm going to track my belt over a little bit just so I can make a nice corner there. Now you may think I'm running this belt slow, but if you think about the ratio of the wheels, a 6.5-inch drive wheel and a little contact wheel under an inch, These little guys are turning some RPMs. Like I said, I don't know exactly why I'd want to do that, but I set my table low. But I'm going to change that and come out a little bit and do another groove. Not because I should, but I guess because I can. And, you know, I don't know what I'd really do with this, but it's kind of, like I said, it's not the point of should I do it, it's more the point that I can do it, and I know you'll find a lot of applications for this. And, well, I'm kind of at a loss for words. I just like it. I think you will too. I want to show one more feature. I'm going to move my coffee. Always keep your area clear. I'm going to flip this over. There goes my push stick. Now, to switch this out, take this little guy out. If I had a knob here, wouldn't need a wrench, but you'll have a hard time finding a nut or bolt on this grinder that's not a 3/8 or a 3/8 bolt 9/16 head nut. And I can flip this over, plug it right in there. Now I know this isn't contour, but what I want to show you is you can grind anywhere on the belt. So you don't have just one strip of wore out belt. Now you saw I didn't mess with the tracking. You can basically see where it's tracked there now. Just to show how nice the tracking is. Now another thing, a quick feature while we're looking at this, is you notice this little plate? This little plate is basically a block off plate, just to make it very hard to reach the tracking knob from this side. You can see why you don't want to do that. So, but if you come over to this side, you're, well, just about as safe as any knife maker is going to be. Let's face it, we're not always the safest bunch. Now with the setup horizontally, I did some grooves over here. I'm going to do some of the grooves over on this side. Again, I'm running this belt what might seem like very slow because I want my bearings to last. You can crank it up higher, but just think of how fast these little guys are turning. When we're talking about replacing wheels though, another feature I believe I showed you before in another video, but if I wanted to go to a bigger wheel with a 1/4 inch axle, right there. Two turns, clicks out, pops in. Well, I think I'm done with this video, Phil.